everybody! So today I am with Suzanne Hall, editor-in-chief and co-founder of the Chalkboard magazine.
Yes.
An amazing online, we'll talk about it in a minute, but I'll tell you what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about secret ways to pack nutrition, and I mean super duper nutrition, into your day. Okay, so how exciting. First off, welcome to my backyard.
Thank you. We're like in a secret garden.
We're
here.
in a secret garden.
Love it.
Sunshine is having to be in the video because if I let her on the ground, she can get a little bit feisty. So here she is.
Cozy.
She's just cozy. First off, you know, Chalkboard mag, or
Yes.
the Chalkboard.
The Chalkboard.
The Chalkboard. We're linking underneath the video to that, and if you don't know it already, because some of you internationally may not, it really is an incredible resource. I mean, you have done the most amazing job with this. Just wellness with a capital W. And you will learn about really pretty much everything, beauty and food and nutrition and trends, but you're like ahead of the game.
Oh, thanks. We try to be.
You are.
It's easy to do when you're a big nerd about it. I feel like you can relate. Our whole team is very intense about the topic. And here we are in LA, right? Where we think trends have passed and we discover they're really just beginning nationally.
Exactly.
So it's very fun.
Yeah, I love LA. I have to say.
Me too.
Kind of love it.
I love it. It's a love-hate, but there's a lot more
It definitely
love in the mix.
It definitely is.
It's
There are
an
days,
intense lifestyle,
yes.
but it's so good.
I know. So what we're going to be talking about today, let's pop right onto this,
Let's do it.
We're going to be talking about kind of secret or unique ways, I should say, to pack nutrition, specific nutrients into your diet. So
Yes.
go. You
So
you
I
get
love
off
this
first.
topic. I really love efficiency, I would say. So a lot of the hacks that I picked are ways to kind of double duty what you're doing every day and just adding nutrition to it. So my first is Gerolsteiner. I don't know if anyone out there enjoys this water.
I love the taste of Gerolsteiner.
Me too. I feel like it's the champagne of sparkling water.
Oh, I'm going to start stocking up immediately, and I like that it comes in a glass bottle.
Exactly. So this is just your average glass bottled sparkling water. However, like all real mineral waters, there are a lot of waters out there that I still think kind of claim to be mineral waters, but actual mineral waters are packed with minerals. So if you look in the back of Gerolsteiner, and actually Pellegrino, which is far more easy to find for everyone, they both have minerals packed in. So for this bottle here, you're looking at 3 servings, and per serving you're getting 6% of your daily magnesium.
Wow, I never knew that.
And most women are deficient
Suzanne.
in magnesium,
Yes, they
as
are.
we know, all probably know. So you're actually getting 6, 12, 18% of your daily magnesium in one bottle. So I actually stock like boxes of this at home or in the office, and just use it to hydrate throughout the day, especially if I'm getting sick of drinking, flat water, as many of us complain of doing, trying to stay hydrated.
Yeah.
Switch to sparkling part of your day. Get the magnesium kind of packed in there like a secret nutrition ingredient.
And little known fact as well is that actually sparkling water is really, really good if you have issues such as IBS and digestive issues. And it always used to be thought that it was the opposite, because logically you would think if I put more bubbles and carbonation into my stomach, it's going to make me bloated. But actually, if you suffer from bloating, you are better off drinking tons and tons of beautiful sparkling water. I never knew that about Gerolsteiner. And it's great because a lot of us filter. I have a filtration system in my house. If you have reverse osmosis, what happens is that it takes most of the minerals out of the water. So when you put it back in.
So it's a great way to supplement.
Great. I'm going to go to my secret nutrition fact of the day, of the video, and that is Chlorella. I love Chlorella as a green supplement. So it has B vitamins in it. So if you're plant-based, that's really going to help you. I also like the grasses. So I love wheatgrass and barley grass because they are prebiotics. So they're going to feed the good bacteria in your gut. So this is a brand. It is called Kyo-Greens.
It's a good one.
And I like it because it's really simple. You don't have to read hundreds of ingredients to go, oh my gosh, is this good or not good? It gives you energy, but more than anything, it makes your gut really happy.
Yes.
And so we'll put the link to everything that we're talking about. We'll put the link under the video. But I love this one. You mix a teaspoon and some unsweetened fruit juice, throw it in your smoothie, good to go. Next, you're on. What's your next one?
Okay, my next one's another hydrator.
Yes.
I really drink a lot of liquids during the day. This is like a lemon water, which everyone knows to drink it first thing in the morning. This is kind of a brand that's packaged it for you. It's just lemon juice, water, and spicy cayenne.
Oh!
So it's almost like the master cleanse, but not. It's something you can do every day. My favorite, I probably drink 2 of these a day. I am obsessed
and this
with
is pressed juice.
This is
Press Juicery.
Right?
So we'll link to all of this underneath here.
So good.
Yeah.
And my latest thing now, this is so anti-inflammatory, is I take their ginger lemon cayenne shot.
Yes.
It's pretty spicy, pretty powerful, but I'll dump about half a shot in a bottle, shake it up, and now I've got ginger, lemon, the cayenne, all these very anti-inflammatory, gut-soothing ingredients.
Suzanne, what a great idea.
This is so good.
And they make it so simple. And there are press juiceries kind of all over America, correct?
Yes.
Great.
Not any international yet.
Right, but they'll be getting there. And so it's all over America. And can people order online if they want to and get it delivered to their home?
There's a subscription, there's membership, all that.
Perfect. Linking underneath the video. Okay, I'm going to piggyback off that one for another secret nutrition. So in terms of hydration and water, oftentimes we hear about alkaline water, and you can buy alkaline water. It's very expensive in, plastic bottles and whatnot. And the machines, they're like 5,000 to 6,000. They're so expensive. Those
good ones.
Yeah, so you can make your own alkaline water with baking soda. That basically makes alkaline water. So you get about 2 cups of filtered water. You could actually maybe it would froth over too much. No, forget I just said that. I'm not going to go there. But you could add it just to plain filtered water, and you have alkaline water, a couple of slices of lemon, easy, inexpensive, done and done.
So
over to you. What's your next one?
There's a lot to be said about baking soda. We could have a whole.
We could do and by the way, we're doing a whole series of videos, Suzanne and I. So if you miss this one or you love this one, check out the other ones, because we're doing a whole series.
Okay, right. There's so much fun stuff for us to talk about. Okay, I am also obsessed with this. I know I said that about everything, but this is crazy.
What is it?
This is really good quality cinnamon, which we could get into, but there's a difference between...
Is it Ceylon cinnamon?
Yes, Ceylon cinnamon. Super crazy antioxidants.
Yes.
Great anti-inflammatory.
Helps to balance blood sugar.
So I add this to my coffee. A lot of people know about the cheap old cinnamon shaker you find every coffee shop. You add it to your coffee. This, while you're adding cinnamon, you're getting chaga mushroom, which is a medicinal mushroom.
I love chaga mushroom.
The quality of chaga, this is Wild Remedies. They only sell it in this cute little tin. I throw it in my bags at all times. Whenever I have like a cappuccino, this always goes in it.
What a brilliant
chaga is like, you can't even legally say all the things it's good for. It's like on that
focus
level.
And memory and
it's
energy and immunity and all of that.
It's incredible. So I'm in love with chaga mushroom. We have a couple articles. Maybe I'll share one of those that tells you a little more about it.
Yeah, we'll link to it underneath the video.
So easy to just boost your coffee with that.
Great. Lucky, the dog is barking. That's what happens in my backyard. Sorry, Suzanne. I just want to see, it's such a cute tin as well.
So cute.
Wild Remedies. Oh my gosh.
I'll show you how it looks inside.
Yeah. And I can already smell the cinnamon.
It smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
It has kind of a richness and a depth you might expect from like a mushroom. Definitely doesn't make it taste like broth or anything.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
can would you sprinkle it on or stir it in?
I sprinkle it over the top, let it kind of fall in and stir it.
Okay, amazing.
Well.
All right, we're piggybacking so well, because my final way to get nutrition into your day is those mushrooms like the chaga and the reishi and whatnot are also known as adaptogens, which means what they do is it helps your body to adapt naturally to a better state. So whether that's immunity or focus or whatever else. So to that end, I'm a huge adaptogen fan. And if you have burned out adrenals, which 90% of women do, actually, because we're all way too busy. And if you'll know symptoms of things like extreme fatigue, not being able to sleep at night, being jittery. If you're a workaholic, you probably have adrenal burnout. Yes. Okay, but you need adaptogens, and there's a supplement here which is by brand's Body Software. The doctor. Do you know Dr. Prudence Hall?
I don't.
Oh, she's got the same second name as you. You have to know her. She's amazing in Santa Monica.
Oh.
But her supplement, a blend called Mega Adrenal, is great. She has super adrenal, mega adrenal, and she's taken all these adaptogens and put them together in blends that are very, very powerful.
Amazing.
For healing and for boosting your adrenals. So that's that.
Incredible.
And so I'm done with mine. I think you have one more.
I have one more, which is Flaxseed. Super simple.
My favorite thing.
We actually pulled this out of Sophie's fridge. I keep mine in the freezer ground
Yeah.
so that it's ready to sprinkle on things. I sprinkle this on salads, on almost everything I can put on. We have this great book in the office called How Not to Die. And
I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, Dr. Greger.
Yes, this doctor has condensed all of his studies into like 12 chapters of like how to avoid disease and have longevity. Well, I was really stricken. Many of the topics of the chapters are like these huge topics. There's one whole chapter on flaxseed.
Yeah. Oh, it's amazing.
I mean, so it kind of made me do a second look at how I was using flax, and it's a fascinating book if you want to pick it up. But the shortcut is just keep flax seeds. I grind them in a little coffee grinder.
Yep.
Keep them in the freezer because they can go bad really quickly if you don't keep them cold, and use them on everything. It's so easy. It just sinks into a salad or a smoothie, just disappears.
Yeah.
But you're getting all that nutrition.
And lots of omegas, and yes, smoothie. 1 tablespoon every single morning, done and done. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Secret nutrition.
Secret nutrition. Just easy ways to throw it in there. So that was really fun. I could we could have done so much more.
We had to line them up.
Yeah, we could line them up. We maybe have to do some more.
Yeah.
But check out some of our other videos on different topics, and let us know some of your favorite ways to add secret nutrition boosts into your day too. I'll see you next time. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.